Hi, I'm Jason Barnard. I'm the Brand SERP guy, and today we're looking at the Brand SERP for Clean Windows Cornwall, a local business in the south of England in Cornwall. Now, I would guess that they chose this name when having keywords in your brand name and your URL were really helpful, but they've done a decent job getting a number 1. But then number 2 is somebody else. Number 3, not sure which one this is. Number 4, probably the other one. It gets really confusing because there are two companies very much mixed up here, but that's not the point for today. The point for today is that people also ask, how much should I pay to have my windows cleaned? Because they have such an ambiguous brand name, because they've used keywords in their brand name, Google is showing very generic questions with generic answers. So here, why have I spotted this? Why am I interested in this? Because they have an opportunity. Because here you can see the answers are all in dollars, but we're in the UK. That means that if they can provide a decent quality answer to this question in UK pounds, they will probably get this people also ask, and a little bit more real estate and potentially more clients. Because right now Google is only able to find reliable, helpful information that it's really confident in US dollars. But that geolocation will kick in if it can find the local answer. And we've got the same one here, but this is from Home Guide in the USA. And when we go outside the UK, why anybody in the UK would want to know how much it costs to clean windows outside the UK completely escapes me. You know, sometimes Google gets it a little bit wrong, but there is no harm in answering these questions. But as you will see, and the reason I was talking about this is they have got it, Google have got it in UK pounds. So Google will get it in pounds if Clean Windows Cornwall can provide the answer in the correct currency on their website. Thank you very much.